friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you my three favorite flexibility poses. Those are my signature moves. Only one of them is my signature move because you only have one signature move, but I have three favorite flexibility tricks that I really love and I wanted to share with you. So today I'm going to be doing all of them. And also, before I get to this video, remember to subscribe, smash that like button right now, turn on the notification bell, share the video, and now let's get started. And before we get to anything, we need to stretch. So I found a hand flexibility because you need hand flexibility. You already know my favorite flexibility tricks. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull them over one on my head. This is not the one, this is the one. Put it on my chin. Then I'm gonna do another pose. I can only do it with something really soft. So I'm just gonna go simply, or I can do this. This is a new jump. Alright guys, so first thing I'm gonna teach you is my favorite handstands. Only one of them is my signature favorite handstand. What is that one, guys? That's correct, a fun single stand handstand. So, as you guys know, I before used to do it very badly, but I have been improving because I have been doing it every day. So if you want to do it, you can just pull it over your head and then you can just land really softly and then the pose. Alright guys, so for this one, you need to keep your hands on your back or on your back. Put one of your arm up and then take the feet and put it a little up. Just do it really softly and try to put the engage inside. Kick it over. One leg on the other side and one leg on this side. Then you're gonna just stop as this pose. If you did that pose, and before, handstands are usually straight and stand. But there is another one. That is a one-handed handstand. I have only learned it in 1 week, hardly. So I'm just going to kick it over. Before, if you guys lose the balance, you just do a single stacked handstand and then you just flip this side. You land on your knees and then kick yourself up. So, for this handstand, is there only one trick that you can learn how to do it. Keep yourself balanced as much as you can. Like this. See, really smoothly. Or put one of your other hands up and then you take one hand. So for learning, okay guys, so I'm going to teach you the, alright guys, so this is the thing that we need to do for the handstand. Next is my favorite move. It is a bow and arrow. For this one, you need a really squishy spot, and then you need to support yourself. Put one of your legs up and balance. Gotta pull one of your leg up. So for this trick, as you guys know, is a normal leg hold, and then put your leg up. There's the last one is my favorite no-handed back bend. Uh-oh! Guys, if you fall on your knees, you're going to save yourself from your face because it'll be really dangerous. Kick up yourself and then go into straight landing. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Remember to subscribe, smash the like button right now. Turn on the notification bell, share the video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!